Okay, do the next three. Okay, one, two, three. Yeah! Wow. Okay, thank you so much to Ariel, our African great parrot. Okay, very nice. And for from Ariel. Okay, next please welcome to my little friend over here. And his name is Coco, Yellowneck Amazon Parrot. Okay, thank you, Mr. Moore. Alright, Coco. Let's see. Okay, we have audience. Okay, so many audience. Let's say something to the audience in front of you.
Hello.
Coco says hello over here. Alright, Coco. How about pretty ladies? What will you say when you see pretty ladies? So much work. Coco. How about the little one? Okay. Can you say something happy today? Happy hello? Happy hello here from Coco to the kids. Coco, today, how you feel? Do you feel good? Good. Alright. Last time, Coco, if you feel good, you must feel happy. So show everyone happy how your happy expression from heart. Just laughing over here. Coco happy. Thank you so much to Coco. Alright, thank you Coco. And up next we are going to have for first three lines from and over here we have our trainer, Mr. Moore. Okay, Mr. Moore will be behind you guys. So for this ad, everyone please remain seated and not raise your hand to try to start our work. Let's see, for today we are going to have for our white teacher reply to the back over there. Okay, now Mr. Moore, when you're ready, let's call our white teacher thank you. There is our white teacher just by to our trainer at the back. And also there's some information about vision. DJ, they also can be trained. Before this, the people, they use DJ as a messenger. That means, okay, DJ also very good. And thank you so much to our angel, our white teacher. Alright, nice bye today. Okay, up next we are going to have something more interesting. Okay, today we are going to have a racing competition. Okay, bird race. Now let me check what I have for our racing for today. Down here, I have pole. Okay, two pole, yellow and blue color with some ring. And for this time, okay, we need to work for the bird needs to pick up the ring start from here and put that into the pole over here. And whoever finish first will be the winner. Now, please welcome our first competitor is Ringo. Our my top, and for the next one, please welcome Popeye. Also, blue and gold. But before we start the race, Popeye and also Ringo, okay, they need a team supporter. Now let's divide you guys into two groups of supporters. Now for the first team, Popeye. For team Popeye, we divide from the middle line here and to my right side. You guys will be cheer for Popeye. Okay. On the middle line here and to my left side, you guys will be cheer for Ringo. Okay, good. Now let's get ready for Popeye and Ringo. Okay, to the position first. Popeye, Ringo, get ready again. And for the team support, shout for your team. Popeye, Ringo, ready? Good. Now on your mark, get set and go! Faster, Popeye, on! Popeye, Ringo, faster, come on! Popeye, first ring, come on, Ringo! good for our blue and blue markup. Okay, next one. Right, the and over here. We still have our winner, our very smart Ringo. Again, we have prize for our winner today. We have a sliding board. Okay, Ringo, show us how you play sliding board today. Alright, let's one. The ladies first. And slide. Oh, very good. Okay, nice play today. Thank you so much to Ringo, our blue and gold. Thank you so much, Ringo. Alright, next is welcome our green marker, and his name is Jody. Come on, Jody, our green marker. And for Jody, okay, what we have over here? So we actually want to test Jody eyesight. We have 3 empty board and also 1 dice over there. Jody, you need to look at the dice, okay? And over here, okay, we hide the dice, and Jody will try to find this dice inside the ball. Okay, Jody, look at the dice. Okay. Alright, here for the first time. We spin around the board slowly. This line will be very focused and look at the dice over there. Okay, now where is he? Good, Jody. Find inside here some more. One more time. And this time can spin around more fast. Okay. We try one more time. And second time. We spin up a little bit. Okay? Jody, please focus. Okay. Now, let's try to guess together which ball for this time. And try to guess. Ready? To make me proud, okay? Where is it? Yeah! Very good. Very fine. These guys. And also for markup for their eyesight, 7 times sharper than our human eyesight. Okay, thank you so much, Jody, our green markup. Okay, next is welcome. Okay, Julie, our self-rested markup too. This time we have Judy. And for Julie, we have a color Judy block. And Julie will arrange, okay, according to the shape and color. Okay, this there is our color blue block. Green, yellow, blue, and red. Okay, Judy, let's put back. First one is green, right? Green. Okay, good. Yellow, blue, and the last one, red. Very good. Okay. How about let's have one more time? So, for this one, can you mix the color? Okay. We mix the color. Okay, this time, now in on the right. Okay. Judy, you do your homework right. The first. Okay, good. Red. Next one. Yellow, blue, and last one, green. Yes, very good. Thank you so much, our self-rested. Okay, then please welcome Tommy, our blue and gold marker. Okay, Tommy. Tommy, okay, we are going to see Tommy playing basketball game. But this time, we make this game more interesting. Okay, we have some obstacles for Tommy to pass before score the goal at the last one over here. Okay, Tommy look at the obstacle and we need to score. Okay. Alright, and now let's start the game over here. Very fast. Nice move. To stop the ball and score. Yes! Very good. Thank you so much to Tommy. Our good and good. Thank you, Tommy. Okay, next we are going to have for our first free flying performance. And everyone, let's look in front of them. Let's find where our motor will fly. Okay, please welcome Zizu. Where are you, Zizu? As you can see in front over there we have Zizu, green mountain. Alright, it's all right now, right? Okay, now Zizu will fly all the way over here. So everyone, please remain seated and not raise your hand. Okay, remain seated. Okay, Zizu, are you ready? Let's fly all the way over here. There is our Zizu. Wow, very good fly from our great wing macaw. Okay, and also for macaw, for their lifespan is about 40 to 60 years old. Okay, a very long lifespan for macaw to live. Okay, now Zizu will come down here. Everyone, please remain seated. Okay, Zizu, are you ready? Let's come back down here. And thank you so much to Zizu. Thank you, Zizu, our green top. Okay, for the last three, what I have. Alright, let me check over here. For last here, I have just the create some friends. Okay, for our last performer, please welcome Q, our last blue and gold macaw. Okay, Q, show everyone here how you pick up the trash and put inside the dustbin. Okay, take the first one, tin can. Good, and the last one, water. And oh yes, very good, right? Okay, a bird can do this. So can we write? Please keep our environment clean. Excellent job to now. Okay guys, we have come to the end of our show. But before I end, let me introduce again our team of trainers for today. On my right side is Mr. Bob with Q. On my left is Mr. Y, name is Zizu, and once again, my name is Mr. La. Thank you for coming to Kelgo Park. Bye! Okay, maybe last one for Q. Bye-bye! Bye-bye, and I love you too. Anything else? Thank you everyone. Bye.